Hello Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I want to do, hopefully this is a quick tip on how to show how I showed this block face study with all the neighboring properties, and I only have one 3D model in here. Let's get started. So I am working in Chief Architect Premiere version X12 on my Windows PC laptop. I'm using X12 because my client has not upgraded yet, and so I've got to keep this going for his sake. So I have this situation where a property 103A is needing we're doing a new construction on lot 103A, and the city needs a block face study for all the setbacks and heights. And so what I've done is, in each of these cases, I set out with the property lines. I drew a box for each of the properties. Some are 50 wide, all of them are 115 feet deep, some are 25 feet wide. And so I just did my layout for the properties, this whole block on their side and 2 across the street as the city required. Then I went and copied those lines in and paste hold position into a new plan, and that means I know exactly where in my XY coordinates in the world of this main file I need to start drawing my homes, my neighboring homes, and then I can just model up a quick home here. So I have my, let's go to, there we go. I've got an elevation now. I can show the threshold and roof heights. I've got the floor plan that I can show the plot plan view. And then what I do in my main file, as I said here, it's only got one 3D model. What I'm doing is a reference the other files. And if I click on this floor number 1 here, you'll see I have multiple files referenced with their plot plan layer set instead of the reference display layer set, which would have everything red. I just referenced in the plot plan layer set. And because the XY is set up with my, remember I copied the property lines, it just references it right to that property line that's in the exact same position. From there, I just send it to my layout, and I have all the elevations as I need, and it's all set. This is a quick tip today. I hope this referencing files is of value to you. You can drop in, as you can see, you can drop in and control any layer set and view any layer set referenced in the main master file. I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Click like and subscribe down there, and have a great week. Take care.